Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will put point 8 and point 8 belong to the curve in here. So this one I will put about x and y. However, we know that y equals to this one. Now we need to change y into negative x squared minus number 2. We have point B that is about 0, number 1. Later that we need to find vector AB that is about number 0 minus s, number 1 minus this one. So negative with negative we have positive s squared. Negative with negative we have positive number 2. So 1 plus number 2 we have number 3. This one we can simplify like this. Next, we need to find the magnitude of vector AB. So we can find the distance between point 8 and B. Now, in this situation, we just consider about the function under the square root. So negative s to the power of 2 we have s squared. This is about even power. This one we need to expand. Now we simplify this one and this one. We have 7s squared. Now we need to do first derivative f of s, and we have 4s to the power of 3 plus 14s. So this one that is about 4s to the power of 3. This one we have 2s, that's why we have number 7 with number 2. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Next, we need to find the critical point, so we need to put first derivative f of s equals to number 0. So this one equals to number 0. So we can do about factorization. So we can see that we have only s equals to number 0. This one they always positive, so we don't have the value equals to number 0. So s equals to number 0. That means we can find, we put number 0 cone here, and we have negative number 2. And the final answer. So we need to select about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.